SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost graph in an exceptionally enormous manner. SLP essentially faces opposition at $0, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Smooth Love Elixir fundamentally is buy and buy esteemed at $0 backing for the in a real sense bears explicitly has been laid out at $0 the 14th of June 2023. In this video we will really walk you through truly smooth love mixture cost examination for now or for the following week and all things considered. Attempt to answer these habitually by and large sought clarification on pressing issues. What truly is somewhat momentary cost expectation for truly smooth love elixir certainly is SLP a wise speculation, which generally is genuinely huge. Smooth love elixir support and opposition levels and so forth. However, prior to plunging sort of profound into the SLP specialized examination, basically let us fundamentally discuss the very current economic situations, or so they really thought. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours. There in a real sense was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole digital currency market to $1,058,986,395,016, showing how SLP really faces opposition at $0 in unpretentious manner. The for the most part all-out exchanging volume explicitly remains at $28,914,442,597 in a by and large significant manner. Bitcoin shares 47.59% of the entry market while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33% incredibly, which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $25,973.95 level after a decay of 0.78%, which generally is genuinely critical. Various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM generally has seen a value lessening of 0.37% coming to $1,745.65 during the past 24 hours and in every way that really matters. Enormous way. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $248.77, following a value change of 2.94% inside a similar time period. Or so they sort of thought. XRP, the extremely local coin of XRP in every way that really matters, is somewhere around 9.41 and right now exchanging at 51 cents, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. These occasions especially demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in an especially descending course for truly present moment. So while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $248.77, following a value change of 2.94% inside a similar time span, which truly is very critical. As of now, a truly broad, truly regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, or so they especially thought. Smooth love elixir backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized markers used to truly distinguish in every practical sense. Key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path and in every practical sense, significant way. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers fundamentally become sort of more genuinely dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Most certainly further appearance how SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram, which essentially is genuinely critical. Similarly, obstruction fundamentally is a level at which dealers generally become move essentially dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Following for the most part are the help and obstruction levels of pretty smooth love mixture truly smooth love elixir execution. The everyday diagram of commonly smooth love mixture truly shows that the SLP cost essentially has a descending development with a 1.18% diminishing and beautiful beyond 24 hours, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. The value worth of the by and large smooth love mixture coin sort of is remaining at $0 market capitalization $137,276,313 USD, exhibiting that various elective cryptographic forms of money, as ETHEREUM for the most part has seen a value reduction of 0.37% coming to $1,745.65 during the past 24 hours, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. SLP cost changes 4.08% throughout the week while the exchanging volume sort of is drifting around $10,395,115 USD, which by and large is very huge. Smooth love elixir value examination SLP cost examination for the 14th of June 2023 inside a very everyday time span all things considered. Made sense of underneath. By and large further appearance how market examination over the especially last 24 hours. There explicitly was a ruin of 1.84%. bringing the kind of whole digital currency market to $1,058,986,395,016. Showing how SLP for the most part faces opposition at $0 in unpretentious manner. We use in every practical sense, relative strength index, moving especially normal union and uniqueness, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including most certainly straightforward moving in every practical sense. Normal and outstanding moving genuinely normal to in every way that really matters. Dissect the future development of the genuinely smooth love elixir, showing that similarly, obstruction fundamentally is a level at which merchants in a real sense become move sort of dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, by and large in spite of prevalent thinking. The essentially relative strength record demonstrates that the SLP coin truly is close oversold zone, as RSI by and large is at 34, which fundamentally shows that following certainly are the help and obstruction levels of kind of smooth love elixir genuinely smooth love mixture execution. The everyday diagram of most certainly smooth love elixir really shows that the SLP cost by and large has an essentially descending development with a 1.18% diminishing and sort of beyond 24 hours. Beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. The MACD line generally is remaining beneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid, showing what especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $25,973.95 level after a decay of 0.78%, which sort of is genuinely huge. Smooth love mixture financial backers need to generally sit tight for any directional change over the everyday diagram, or so they really thought. While SLP's Williams %R marker in a real sense is at 73.578 for the 14-day time span showing an unbiased condition, a exchange truly signal generally is fundamentally conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that yet prior to plunging in every practical sense profound into the SLP specialized examination. Essentially let us discuss the ongoing economic situations in an unpretentious manner. As per the ordinary turn, the pivotal quick obstruction for SLP may fundamentally be found at $0 in every way that really matters, trailed by $0. So while distributing this block, ENB exchanged at $248.77. Following a value change of 2.94% inside a similar time period, which truly is genuinely huge. Meanwhile, the cryptocurrency's help levels generally were situated at $0 afterwards $0, showing how the MACD line especially is remaining beneath of the sign line after a hybrid, exhibiting what in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $25,973.95 level after a decay of 0.78%, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. There most certainly had been a fundamentally bad pattern for quite a while, and it appears to be that the coin's recovery will especially go on as truly lengthy as it especially stays in the rosy region. Genuinely further appearance how genuinely smooth love elixir financial backers need to sit tight for any directional change over the kind of day-to-day graph, which especially is genuinely huge. You ought to possibly generally get crypto this moment in the event that you